PENGU is genuinely one of my most favorite meme coins of the last cycle, and I do believe, guys, it's one of the few plays that might recover and actually run in the next bull run as well. It is a bear market, so meme coins are down, altcoins are down, but meme coins seem like they're getting hit a little bit harder. But this is a project that is still generating real revenue, which a lot of other meme coins unfortunately don't do. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ro. I upload crypto videos every single day. You can expect 2 to 3 uploads here on this channel. So if you're new, stay until the end. If you like what you see, consider hitting that subscribe button. With that being said, guys, let's get straight into today's video. Now, off the rip here, taking a look at the market. Yes, it looks bleak. It looks grim. Fear and greed index sitting at 27. It doesn't look the greatest right now, but what I do want to focus on now are real projects that are still laying the foundation in a bear market for when the next bull run does come. It does have a good, foundation set. And one of those projects, really and truly, that I could think of is Pudgy Penguin. These guys are able to capture mind share so easily. They're still printing when it comes to the numbers they do on Reels. There's still so many people on Instagram, on TikTok that are watching their stuff that have no idea that there is a meme coin that is tied to it. Now, I do believe that PENGU is only going to continue to grow in terms of retail adoption, in terms of what they do in a retail sense, right? Like in the real world, like in terms of their stores that they have, their physical locations. Not just that, guys. These guys are always building. They're always expanding. They're into different areas of the world as well. Like there's so many PENGU holders in South Asia. There's PENGU, I guess, pop-ups that they host over there in South Asia. They do it in Europe. They do it in Canada, in America, which is really cool to see, guys. I would really love to go to one of these. If anyone knows how to hook me up with one of them, let me know down in the comments because I'll be flipping amazing. With that being said, though, PENGU is just one of those crypto meme coins that it's ran up very close to, $2-3 billion market cap. At its peak, I think it got very close to 3 billion, right? 2.6. Now it's sitting at 364 million. And there aren't too many meme coins that I will be buying right now that I'm hoping will recover in the next bull run. But PENGU might just be one of them. PENGU has so much good things going for it. It's listed on basically every single exchange that you could think of. It's unlike a lot of other meme coins, actually holding that $300 million mark fairly well. And if you guys want to know exactly what meme coins, what cryptos, especially because Robinhood chain is pumping right now, if you guys want to know exactly what I'm buying into, what I am selling, then make sure you guys are part of my inner circle, because that is my private Discord group. You get my buy and sell calls, you get access to exclusive content that you cannot find anywhere else, and you get to be a part of weekly live streams that we host inside the inner circle every single Wednesday. It's continuing to grow, guys, so make sure you guys join ASAP. Now, on that note, let's take a look at some of the stuff that they're bringing out for the PENGU space. You can see introducing Wall of Penguins, a dedicated place to honor the holders who continue to shape the story of Pudgy Penguin by going above and beyond for the huddle. This is actually really cool, guys, because a lot of their holders have earned a place on the Wall of Penguins, which I think is actually really cool. Let's see until this loads. Tap to open up the gallery. So these are all some of the people that are on there, which I think is sick, because these are all people that have contributed to PENGU and made it into what it is today. That is absolutely phenomenal, guys. Okay, I love to see that. If you guys are part of the Penguin community, the PENGU community, you need to keep in mind that Pudgy Penguins is only going to go as high as you guys want it to go. So make sure you're still over on X, you're talking about it, you're tweeting about it, you're on YouTube videos like this, supporting, because I try to do my best to spread news about PENGU because I'm bullish on this meme coin. I really do believe from the last cycle, if there was one meme coin from the last cycle that I think had the ability to break all-time highs in the future cycles, I think there's no better play than PENGU. There's no better bet in my mind than PENGU. Now, that said, you can see it's even a top 20 trending coin on CoinGecko. It's even higher than that. It's actually beating out Cash Cat. You can see here that Pudgy Penguin in the last couple days from July 4th to July 10th has actually been trending. Now, for a project like this to still be in the limelight, for a project like this to still be on, under the magnifying glass is amazing to see, beating things like Aerodrome Finance, XRP, BitTensor Tau, beating things like Ethereum, Bonk, right? Bonk is, again, another solid meme coin that had pretty good run, but Pudgy Penguins is beating that. And not just that, guys, it's even topping Cash Cat, which we all know. We've seen how much hype has been around Cash Cat in the last couple of days, and for us to see a Pudgy Penguin, a meme coin that was relevant in the last cycle, still in the fight is amazing to see. Now, one thing I do love about them is that they just released something called PENGU bot. Okay, this is super cool because you could paste any wallet address into copy trade, give it a tag so you know who you're following. That wallet is now being watched in real time. Every move they make, PENGU bot sees it first. You set your buy size. No need to copy their exact amount. So you can literally ape in. If they do 10 Solana, you could do 0.5. I think this is really cool and really useful for a lot of new traders as well. Definitely go check out PENGU and what they're doing. They are doing so many things, guys, for the entire ecosystem. I mean, they're coming out with merch. They're coming out with all these meetups. They're coming out with a way to honor their holders. They're coming out with ways to um set up meetings with the community as well, to set up. Let me see, how do I get back to the page here? There's ways setting up ways where people could meet together who hold Pengu. Fun fact, with Pudgy Vibe CCG now available at Target, nationwide 75% of Americans live within 10 miles of a store that sells it. Not just that, Pudgy TCG is available, right? So literally, basically like Pokemon cards, but you could buy Pudgy Penguin cards. This is sick, right? I absolutely love that. They're always catering to the needs of the environment, and that is a meme coin that I think is going to be sustainable long term. Now, obviously, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and at the end of the day, meme coins are very, 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 very speculative. I can't, with good faith, tell you guys that these things are going to 10, 20, 100x, and it's 100% guaranteed, because nothing is guaranteed, and meme coins should be treated as a casino play, as a lottery play, and a small percentage of your portfolio should be allocated to that. On that note, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, y'all, and peace out.